seen the thumbnail or the title. I'm heading to the shop because there's a set of wheels there that I might actually be getting. So I'll just go ahead and spill the beans right now. Guy's so kind, he's gonna let me do like a test little run on the wheels. I'm on my way to go meet up with the guys, and then we're gonna roll out to the shop. So, peace out. Got the swerve plates right here.
You know what I'm saying? The increase.
Yo, it felt like I definitely picked up a nail too in the sidewall. Right here.
1, 2.
Yo, there was some noise. I don't even know if y'all seen anything, but when I did that pull,
I was like, we have.
Nah, for real, y'all hurt.
Like, what was that? And I thought it was something in my bag.
Introduce yourself, bro.
Chris.
As we get one word.
Like this, the Chris.
Yo, that hoodie's looking sick though, man. Looking a little crooked though. What's going on? Is that the embroidery, or that's just how? That's just
prototype. This is.
You work out on the left more than the right or something? What's going on? Now that looks nice on the camera though.
And also, I think after the wash, it did a little.
Yeah, but that looks
alright. I gotta hit it with an iron.
That's a 1 of 2.
Yeah.
So this Chris car right here.
I'm the only one out there with an X1 like this.
It's custom. This is secure orange, right? No.
Nah, this is Valencia.
Oh shit.
Let's get a little start.
They get a cold start? Oh, this is a real.
It hasn't been a while.
It's been. Hold on. Yeah, it still start up. The E92 style steering wheel though.
Yeah, steering wheel's kind of dope. I want to get a 3 cluster in there.
Oh,
same cluster.
yeah. I don't know. I kind of like it this one though.
I like it too, but I don't know. It's too much orange, bro. I feel like I'm in a Civic when I see orange, bro. Like I'm used to those things having.
But you like Civics, bro.
I'm not knocking it, but I'm just saying this is something different. I don't know.
We gonna put the N20 in a Civic, right? No. All right.
That's what we like to fully started with. But now we moved on to the beam machine. You know what I mean?
I ain't knocking you. The wheels. Hold on, let me get a visual.
It's about to look sexy.
So
I don't even know
wheels
these
right here.
You
think you can
drive on this?
A lot of burnouts would happen.
When I do burnouts, especially in these cars, since they're cambered, the inside always eats. But when you do a lot of crazy driving and cornering, the outside loses a little bit. This is so much lighter. It feel like, oh, you lifted it up the whole way.
How does it feel?
And with the tire, probably like 23.
23?
This is lighter than lifting a baby.
What are those, Michelin's?
Michelin Pilot Super Sports.
Let's bring the jack.
It looks sick, bro.
Y'all see him on my other videos, so don't think I don't work on my car.
He's the homie right here.
I'm just saying, cause you know. Nah, that's good. That's out. Yo, this tent held up pretty good.
Burnout sensation, huh?
Nah. That's the front. Yeah.
Those are some little twigs.
Yeah, they 225s.
Look what's on the X1, bro.
225s in the front.
245s all around.
They 225s in the front, 255 in the back. I don't like them. Look at this right here, bro. This thing ate a lot. I hope these rotors aren't bad. They're expensive, bro.
Oh, my fault. I'm not.
No. Nah, I hope they're not bad though. They come in expensive. I'm gonna put the price right here, how much they cost. Wow, these are, yo, after like how many thousand miles, these come off. Look at that.
How was it putting in noise?
It's a
Snug?
a bitch, bro.
It's like,
Hold on, lift it up. Now push it on. Push it all the way on, like flat. Let me see. That's what I be doing.
alright, it's a little bit too much. Because it's not dropped, so it's making it look like it's...
Honestly, even with the drop though,
Yeah, it's sticking out. All right,
it's sticking
all right.
out a lot.
The car right back up. The car back up.
Yo,
Cut.
do it like right here. I look like baby. I look like Tyrese and Baby Boy.
Oh, no. Straighten the wheel out.
Nah, the wheel straight, no?
A little tad to the right.
Okay.
A tad to the right. Just to get a perfect, I want to get that flush.
Yo, go like look at one side and the other. It's crazy. Yeah, it's too much.
This is the stock.
The 18's concave looks better than the 19's, I will say though.
It really does though.
We taking the spacers off with the extended lug bolts and we put it on his car. The M4 wheels on my car. We're putting my 19s on his car, and his stock 18s are just gonna sit right there and look pretty for now. I got a lot of things I gotta do to this though, because a 6 and 3rd gear limits torque via the transmission, so they got a transmission flash that just came out. And it's supposed to do full torque through 3rd and 6th gear. So, we'll see. When I'm doing a lot of pulls, 3rd gear, everybody be like, yeah, I was sticking up to you. And then when I hit the next gear, it's over.
You can't get the ETS flash, right?
It's called XHP. Look it up online. They have it for your car too. All ZF 8 speeds and 6 speeds. What about this spacer? What are we doing? You see how thick this spacer is though?
How do you suggest taking these off? Just put
Let
one
me
of
see.
these on and just try to crack them?
Oh,
or?
god damn. I don't listen. I didn't run anti-C's. So.
Lesson learned.
You know what's so sad though? I knew I needed it, but I was just filming a video. I had everything set up, and it's one of those things you forget. And I'm like, yo, you know what? I'm just gonna run it without, just for video's sake. I was feeding to make a YouTube video, so lesson learned right there.
The heat is about to be our best friend. Worst comes to worst. Get this little bad boy right here.
You ain't never lie,
Right
man.
here. I don't know if it's one of those tricks, those mind tricks that you think it helps you out.
Nah,
You
it's
just
helping,
hit
it's helping.
You hit it with the hammer at the right spot, and then bang, everything just
Nah,
comes
trust
apart.
me,
You're
it's
like,
helping.
oh my god, I was at this for 5 hours.
Nah, that heat, it expands the piece. All right, go ahead. Yeah, the PP's on there.
TV's flammable?
Probably is. You got water close? I use WD-40, that's flammable too.
That is on water.
But just run water real quick.
It's not right there. That's bad.
So my car is about to get put on fire. Okay? Oh, no, that's good. That's good. Like that. Imagine kaboom. You see right now, we finally got the spacer off. Took some PV blaster, some good old heat, hammer and a chisel. That's a 20 mil gone. We're gonna get some anti-seize so it don't happen again. Take it for a spin, man. Tell me how you like it. Okay, it got that wideness. Okay, yo, them tires is nice on the back. Go ahead, play with it, man. Play with it. Huh? Yeah.
Bad bald.
All right, let's go.
To rip it on, like, you know, just as, like, you know, if you want to catch a little nice little glip, see?
I can tell the steering wheel, it feels a little lighter though.
Feels a little lighter. I mean,
Yeah.
the front tires are wider in general, so do you feel, did you already, not yet, right? Well, we're gonna open it up right now. As soon as you,
Which way are you going, straight, left, right?
straight onto here.
Oh shit, it's been easy. It feels like my boy's M4, honestly.
Did you feel that little shake? Is that like,
Yeah.
is that normal stabilizing for this car? Like that little shake that we just felt?
It's third gear. It spins in third too.
fourth gear in it, I think may have to do.
I turned the burbles down. I don't know if y'all realize it.
Yeah.
I like it more like the 1-2 loud bangs, and that's it. All right, so right now we getting the car washed.
Quick little foam wash.
Yeah.
You gotta keep it pretty.
Here's we can get some glory shots for y'all. Show y'all the full potential of these wheels. They look sick, even wet.
With some new wheels, $1,000 wheels.
$1,000 wheels. These are like $1,500 wheels.
I mean, when you can find them for a good deal, you can get them.
So now we're gonna take some of the glory shots for you guys, or glamour shots, whatever you guys call it. Oh, hold on. What's up? Tire pressure is low and always put in sport mode.
How can we erase that? Because this is crazy good footage, bro. The timing, the sun.
Keep getting reset and it keeps dropping.
Turn off your car and turn it back on.
I just did that down there too.
Damn, bro, this is clean.
look super aggressive. What do you guys think? I am extremely surprised because of the fact that I thought I would never like 18-inch wheels. This comes stock with the BMW 442M wheels, which are a 19-inch cast option. This is a 18-inch Fords option, so these are a heck of a lot lighter. Unfortunately, we're gonna be taking these wheels off really soon. I'm not gonna run them right now. For one reason, these wheels are extremely bald. They're bald to the T. They were spinning in first, second, and third gear. What's up?
Let's see the wheels.
Oh, yeah.
Give me a little wheel tilt. This is what you was dealing with.
Well, this is the front. The back is even worse.
Yeah.
So the front, we got a little. If you look on the other side, look at the other side. Look at this. This is what we're dealing with right now. So it was spinning in first, second, and third gear. My car rarely spins in third gear because it has a torque limiter for the tranny, and it was even spinning in third. And the way it was spinning, it was super dangerous, like super dangerous. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take these wheels off, bring them back to Manny at the shop, put the stock wheels on, and we're just gonna ride out like that for now. But like I said, let me know if I should get these wheels, guys, or if I should go with the other option. I'm just gonna blurt it out and tell you guys the other option now. I got a couple of them in my mind. You guys let me know so we can pick and choose. And this is it, man. I hope you guys like this wheel. Fitment is dope. This is stock suspension. I'm either gonna go with lowering springs or coilovers. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna get out of here because we're losing light and we gotta go help man.
That's true.
Peace.
Subscribe. Button's over here. One of these places over here.
I don't know where the button is.
Yeah, wherever the button is, just make sure you subscribe to Slow Speed Mike. Make sure you got to put the mic in there with it. It's only right.
Well, this is Chris right now. It's Chris from Slow Speed. Chris from C&J Auto.
C&J Auto.
I'm trying to get him to get a YouTube channel going. So we're gonna see what we got, but we're gonna get out of here.